We'll show you how to uninstall apps on your Mac in a couple different ways, using the Launchpad and your Finder. Click Launchpad in the dock or open it from your Applications folder. Press and hold the Option key, or click and hold any app until the apps jiggle. Click the X next to the app you want to delete, then click Delete to confirm. You can also move the app to the trash. You can drag the app to the trash and it will prompt you to delete it. Another method is to use your Finder. Open Finder and search for the app in the Applications folder. Now select the app and drag it to the trash icon. Open Trash and click Empty in the top right corner. You can also right-click on the app and choose Move to Trash. Then empty the trash.